Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about binary tree. Before starting about binary tree, let's discuss what is a tree. A tree is a special kind of data structure which is made of a parent and child. So for example, A is a parent and it has a child B, C and D. So this is a tree. Like B can further have a child called E, then again another child called F, and another child called G. So this overall structure, a tree-like structure, is called a tree. So now discuss what's binary tree. Binary tree are the special set of trees which has 0, 1 or 2 child. So maximum it can has 2 child. So if A is a parent node, then it can have maximum 2 child. Let's consider this as a binary tree. We'll be looking at some terminologies of the tree. So what is root? Root is the first node that is there at the top. This is called root. Now what is the left of root? Left of root are all those nodes which are left of the parent node. And right node are all those nodes which are at the right of the parent node. So what is left of A? Left of A is B, D and F. What is right of A? That is C, G, H. Now similarly, what is left of B? Left of B is D. What is right of B? That is F. So child are all those nodes that are below the parent node or below the given node. That is child. What are siblings? Siblings are those nodes which are same parents. That is B and C. We can see that B and C has the same parent. That is A. So B and C are the siblings. Similarly, D and F are the siblings and child of D. Now one more terminology we'll learn. What is leaf node? Leaf node are those nodes which have no parents. Sorry, which does not have any child. So for example, we can see all these nodes does not have any child node. That is, D has no child, F does not have nodes, F does not have any child, G also does not have any child, and similarly H. So D, F, G, H are the leaf node. Got it? So we'll take one more example. Let's take this example. So what is the root node? Root node is 1. What is left of 1? Left of 1 is all this node. That is 2, 4. What is right of 1? That is 3, 5, 6, 7. What is a parent of 6? Parent of 6 is 3. Parent of 3 is 1. What are the siblings in this tree? 2 and 3 are the siblings. 6 and 7 are siblings. 6 and 5 are siblings. So these two are the siblings in this tree. What are leaf node in this tree? Leaf node are 4, 7 and 5. 4, 7 and 5 are the leaf nodes. So similarly, what is the granddaughter? So this is a parent of this and this is a grandparent of 7. What is the grandparent of 7? We can say grandparent is 3. It's similar as blood relations in a normal human life. So in next video, we'll be constructing the tree using Python. Thank you.